So hey everybody, this is Vihang. Welcome to Techvihang. So today's topic is to cover basic calculations using Excel. So let's get started. So I'm opening my Excel and then you have to choose a blank workbook. So you have to add some digits to it like 23, 34, 45, 34 and so on you can add. So now first starting addition, you have to add a is equal to sign. So the is equal to sign is the must in Excel. Without it, you can't start any of the formulas. So is equal to sign. Then I have to add A1 into B1, which is 23 and 34. So A1, then this addition sign, and then B1. So by adding A1 and B1, you are getting the answer 57. So now I'll subtract. So that is equal to sign, A1, the subtraction sign, and B1. So by subtracting A1 and B1, you are getting minus 11. Okay. Then the division. So is equal to A1, this division sign, and then B1. So by dividing A1 and B1, you are getting 0.6764 and you are getting then the multiplication is equal to A1, this multiplication sign, and then B1. So by multiplying A1 and B1, you are getting the answer 782. So now I'll tell you one more thing from which you can multiply and divide. So you can divide by using this sign also and can multiply by using this sign also. So thank you for watching my video, guys. Do subscribe my channel and like my video and comment for the next topic. Thank you.